A timber harvest on your land is a major decision that most family forest owners will only make once or twice in a lifetime. Let's take a look at how modern logging companies in the South do their job. First, there always needs to be some planning before harvesting can begin. Make sure harvest boundaries are clearly marked, roads are in good shape, and log decks or landing sites are planned. Any special areas to be protected should be noted, and plans should be made to protect riparian zones and implement best management practices for water quality. A typical logging company in South Carolina will operate a felling machine, 1 or 2 skidders, and a loader for most jobs. Let's start with the feller buncher. This machine cuts with a high-speed cutting head and stacks trees for skidding to the deck. Felling requires a skilled operator, especially for choosing which trees to cut and which trees to leave during a thinning. The skidder takes the cut trees from the woods to the deck using a large grapple on the back to drag the trees. Depending on soils and site conditions, the skidder may operate on designated skid trails or may disperse skidding over a wide area. The feller and skidder work together to coordinate where trees are cut and pulled to the deck so they keep a steady pace of logs arriving at the deck. Shorter skidding distances are best, and if skidding more than about 1,200 feet is needed, it may be time to move the logging deck. You'll see most of these machines have very large tires. This helps in rough terrain and also spreads the weight of the machine over a large area. Most logging machines put less pressure on the ground in pounds per square inch than a human footprint. In especially wet areas, machines may use dual tires and operate on a temporary road made of logs to avoid rutting or soil disturbance. Many logging machines also steer by articulating in the middle so they can make sharp turns and avoid damage to standing trees. Removing limbs from the felled tree can be done at a limbing gate with the skidder, or it can be done at the loader. Usually the skidder will pick up the cut limbs and tops and scatter them on skid trails for soil stabilization and around the site to decay naturally and release nutrients back into the soil. The loader is another critical part of the operation. In addition to trimming logs and loading log trucks to the correct weight, the loader operator must also sort different products by size and quality for delivery to different mills. They need a good eye for marketing your wood for the best price. The loader is located on the deck or landing, which becomes the focal point for harvesting the surrounding 30 to 50 acres. On larger tracts, multiple log decks may be needed. Loggers are highly skilled professionals who do important work on your land and provide an essential service that may be part of your long-term sustainable forest management goals.